Who left them at the top of the stairs?
Sean did.
Did he?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. No.
Was it you?
No.
What? Oh, see, Ryan and Liam have left a nice mess.
Yeah. Where's Shawnee Monkey hiding?
Shawnee Monkey's downstairs watching The Simpsons.
Now to watch it.
See, there's Ryan's damaged iPod. You had that out. See, if you just... Man, you can't really get a good look at the damage to this. But there's no way that was dropped. No way on this planet. Tidy little device as well. Look at it. A mess. Oh, look. Card off Auntie Emma. Nice decoration. Well, better clean this up.